What's up, everybody? So today I might cut the mufflers off of this, do a little cut out of an alley in there, just sitting in the car, even though it's all, well, the windows are rolled down, so it's not hot. So they just got in there. But today had these mufflers on for at least 10 years. Sounds pretty good, sounds alright, but I just wanted to sound a little louder just to check it out. So I decided I'm gonna cut my muffler right there. Had this Flowmaster on here for 10 years and got a couple of patches in there, a few patches, had to patch it up. So I'm gonna cut it maybe somewhere down here.
No, this ain't my tongue, this is my tail.
Okay, so here I am about the back end, the front end is there. Here's my muffler, and I'm gonna do a cut right in here. So let's see what happens. Halfway through. Oh, what did I do? This is a second one. Okay, so as you can see, I removed both side pipes for my muffler, and honestly, I think it looks pretty cool without it. You know, if I just get another trailer hitch, hide those wires down there, but other than that, I think it looks pretty cool. So there it is, cut right there. So I didn't cut it halfway, I just wanted to go with like a little half cut for now. As you can see on my back tire, you can see it there. So it's right after my muffler's there, so just like in the 1.5 foot back from my muffler. But I'm excited to see. Okay, now let's do startup and see how it sounds.